Well, woken up to snow this morning. First snow of the year. The horses are looking at me. I'm down there. Love the sound of it. See what the horses make of it. It's actually not that cold now, not like it was last night. The horses say, "Let us in for a breakfast." And the chickens. Loki stands out in the snow. Monty and Hayla, you wanting in for your breakfast? Hey girl. Oop. And where's Seren? Well, the morning routine starts. The cats say breakfast. It's dark in here because there's snow on the roof. Put the lights on. Better. The cats say, "Good morning. Hey Charlie. Hey Indy. You want breakfast? Come on then." So the cats have a high up pedestal because I have German pointers. And the German pointers, although they're not here at the minute, they're off playing. They absolutely love cat food, and as they can jump, they get up there. So, shall we feed you guys? So, they have dry cat food, but in the morning, they have dry cat food all the time. But in the morning, they have their wet cat food, which they love. Mix it with a bit of rye. Out dogs. Right. So there we have it. The two barn cats having their breakfast. See, there's always a German pointer. Get the cat food on the floor. Okay, right. Next, we've got the horses' feeds to do. So I give them some Alpha Beat, Molly Top, and Feed Balance. So we'll get started on the horse feeds. So haven't got enough of this today. To mix more. The horses don't need a lot of weight on them. I like them to not put too much weight on, because when spring grass comes they'll start putting weight on, and I don't like overfeeding them. Monty had laminitis, so I just keep his weight down. I use a feed balancer which is low calorie, just so that they get their vitamins. And they get some horse and pony mix. And then they love carrots and apples, whatever. I have 120 apple trees, so we do have apples till January, but they've all gone now. But they last till January, which is good. And now I get carrots at this time of year. Right, so the feeds now just need some bit of water adding, and then they'll be right. Forgot to mention that I like to use a little bit of joint supplement. Monty's getting older, smells gorgeous, so why not give it the young ones? There we have it. Right, we'll go and get the horses in. It's lightened up a bit. Hello. Right, there's a routine here. Hayla always comes first. Come on, let's go. You don't go first, she goes first. So right. Wait. Wait. Right. Hayla goes through. The others know that they have to wait. It's hard to do this one-handed, to keep forgetting, and I bought a camera, GoPro-y thing. Right, come on Hayla. In she comes. Good girl. Into her stable. Okay, good girl. There she is. That's her in. Right. Right, we'll go and get the boys. So, Seren is always next, and Monty just follows in on his own. Right. Hey lad. Right. Let's get your head collar on. I'll have to switch off while I do this. Right, Seren's head collar's on. Undo the electric fencing. Good boy. And Monty follows. Come on. Into the barn. Sit. And into the stable. Monty goes by to his own. Good boy. Seren waits. Head collar doesn't come off until he settles. No. No. Head down. That's it. Good boy. Feed. And Monty, he finds his own way in, don't you? Hey. Right. What's next? Chickens. Okay. Right. Chickens have mixed corn. Layers pellets. There. Now of course they love the corn more, but they need the layers pellets because they need the protein, but also to add protein they can have some mealworms. A handful of mealworms. Lots of protein. Mix that in the feed. They would have got some of the alpha beet if there'd been enough. I'll mix some more up and they can have some later. So, chicken time. Okay, we go outside. Here's the ladies. And some corn so they're out the way. You can get in without them fluttering out because they'd make a good breakfast for the dogs. Right. There we go. So we'll go in and check eggs. There we are. You never not smile when there's an egg waiting for you. It's really nice. Lock the doors. We have automatic doors on the chicken pens that are set to open in the morning, close at night, so that we don't end up with foxes. And no more eggs at the minute. I think the weather's put them off. Okay, that's the chickens. The next job is putting hay nets out for the horses and cleaning this area. Now tomorrow it's meant to go really cold, so it's going to turn to ice, so I'm going to probably need to put down some grit so that this doesn't get icy and slippy. So we've got this job to do and clear it all out. It's an easy life for some. Oreo, get out. Breakfast for dogs can be horse made. Oi! Dogs are enjoying the snow. The area is cleaned out. Grit is down. Poos are lifted. Hay nets are ready. Dogs are wet. So we'll go and put the horses back out and then they can come in tonight. There they are. Horses back out. Good girl. Water trough filled. Hayla says, any more carrots? And they're all happy eating hay. My morning's work is done. I'll go and get a hot cup of tea on this snowy morning.